extra. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for always supporting your girl. If you're new, welcome to this amazing family. So today's video we'll be doing a tribal braids, which is what I have on with no closure. So lately I've been getting messages on Instagram on how they've started their own braided wig business just by watching my videos, and that means a lot to me. So now I want to take it upon myself that every week I'll bring out wig tutorials, as in braided wig tutorials that you can do as a DIY or for your customers to sell. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it like an online, free online classes for my amazing family. So guys, if this is what you'll be seeing in this video, I want you to just keep commenting. The comment means a lot to me. Comment, if it's just to say I like it, I don't like it, you're cute, it's not cute, it's fine by me, but just comment. Give the video a thumbs up, comment down below. Very, very important, guys. So you know how we do it, girl. Before we start, you know how we do it, man. You know it. You know how we do it. Let's get this party started, yo. Oh shit. So these are the items you need. You need your wig cap, your ventilating pin, your mini crochet pin, and your needle and thread. So I decided to start from the beginning because of my new subscribers, and in case you really want to do this as a DIY or you want to do it for your customers. So I'll go ahead and replace the top part with my Swiss lace. I'll put the details down in the description box where I bought this Swiss lace from. It can be seen on Amazon, or I'll put her details. She's on Instagram. So here I'm just trying to use my pin to hold the lace down to the wig cap like so, and before sewing it. Okay, so after sewing it, you just go ahead and take out that top lace out of the wig cap. Then all you have left is your Swiss lace. Yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. And now let's. So to get a perfect straight line on our tribal braid, we're going to use pencil to trace it all the way to the back. So right now I'm trying to trace my tribal braids into a straight line. So you don't want to be bent, so it has to be very, very straight. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Just a way of directing me on how straight the braid should look like. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to use color 2 braiding hair. I wanted the braid to have a dark root to make it look as natural as possible. So right now I'm ventilating. I'll just ventilate like 3 lines, not so much, because if you're still learning, this one is going to be very easy for you because you're not just doing a lot of ventilating. So here I'm just doing like just a little ventilating. Then yeah, I said to bring it closer. I want you guys to really see what I'm doing. This is like, you know, an online tutorial, free online class. So I really wanted you guys to see what I'm doing, so I had to bring it closer to my camera. Yep. Okay, so this is the part where we're going to use the mini crochet pin. So I use color 30 expression braiding hair. So just go ahead, make the line that we trace with pencil, We're going to put smaller portions of the braiding hair. Don't be scared, the lace is really strong. You're not going to rip apart because it's original Swiss lace. So just go and be putting little portions of our braiding hair all the way down to the line we traced earlier on. Voila, this is our final look, guys. You can see the dark root I wanted. It looks like a real scalp, like you braid on an actual real scalp. So guys, so this is what it looks like, our tribal braid. So we're going to go ahead and do like a feeding braid to get the actual length you want. Then I'll now do single braids on the wig cap itself. So yeah, this is basically it. Tell me in the comment section what you think. That means extra, extra, extra.